Still in Mexico, but we're not talking about grasshoppers. In Oaxaca, edible grasshoppers, known locally as chapulines, are more than a seasonal snack. They are cherished delicacy, a source of protein, and a symbol of cultural heritage.
Harvested from June to December, chapulines are collected by locals in towns like Santa Catarina Minas, washed, cooked and seasoned with lime, garlic and spices before being served with maize tortillas. For many residents, the rainy season signals both a culinary treat and a boost to household income. Salvador Martinez, a local resident, said the grasshoppers help feed families at a time when food costs are high. Biologist Genesis Cruz from Oaxaca'S New Coup Environmental Education Center explained that while grasshoppers are considered pests in some regions, in Oaxaca they are celebrated for their high protein content and cultural significance. Cruz noted that growing demand from tourists and online sales has led to overharvesting, putting pressure on local populations, even as the insects remain abundant elsewhere. Beyond their nutritional value, chapulines carry deep cultural importance. Featured in pre-Hispanic codices and still central to festivals such as the Guelaguetza and Day of the Dead, they symbolize fertility and abundance, reflecting Oaxaca's rich culinary and ceremonial traditions.